So I'm here with Subella here. Once again, this is the packaging for the day, so let's get into it. I'm gonna get into the wig in a few after we see what the goodies are. So this is the little drawstring bag with the goodies. I got a branded elastic headband, a pair of HD wig caps, got some brushes here, also got a set of press-on nails, and lastly a pair of lashes. Let's get into the hair of the day. Okay, what I have here is Subella's curtain bang wig. Oh no, so curtain bang wigs are around the place. Okay, it's really like the new look, one off. So this is how the construction looks. All right, it's a 8x5 pre-cut lace closure. So as you can see, almost looks like it's a lace front, but no, it's a 8x5. So you have so much space to work with. What I have here today is a 26-inch length. It's already pre-bleached and it's a HD lace, by the way. There's this adjustable strap on the inside for more security. There's a total of 3 combs inside the cap, and the ear portion, it's like it has that shape to accommodate your ears so that the wig sits on your head comfortably. Oh, it's actually 4 combs in the cap and not 3, and it's a medium cap size. The hair color is a 1B color, and it comes pre-curls. You see those curls? Really nice, and it's very full. Love it. It feels soft as well. Already came with the curlers, the rollers in the front there, just to make life easier. And this is very beginner friendly. Guys, please bear in mind, this is a glueless wig, so it's perfect for anybody from the beginner to the advanced. Okay, it's a very convenient wig. So yeah, that's how we're looking. I'm gonna be sure to put the specifications down below so you guys can check the specific density on this wig. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this quick and easy installation. To have it glueless is absolutely amazing. So this is how it looks right out of the packaging. So there's just a little bit of finessing I'm gonna do with this. So I'm gonna kind of re-curl in the front here, just so it's kind of, you know, laying more in that form that we need it to lay. And I also have my hot comb on so I can get the top more laid. So first, before I do anything, before I recurl it or anything, I'm gonna actually go in with my hot comb and get it nice and flat and laid.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep
So of course, the first look, I'm just gonna have the hair down. So all I'm doing is unraveling these gorgeous curls that came in the wig. And so right off the bat, I can tell you that I am getting minimal shedding. So that is something to bear in mind. Yes, it does shed. So yeah, as I run my hand through it, I must say it's on the thicker and coarser side. Initially when I touched it, it felt softer, but as I run my hand through it, it definitely feels like it's on the thicker and coarser side, which is not bad. So just you know, you have an idea of how it feels, and you can definitely see how thick it is. I love these curls that already come in there. It looks like a nice quality wig. I can't complain. Oh, by the way, let me give you guys a shake test to show you how secure this is.
You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher.
It's not going nowhere. Yeah, and it's glueless. Absolutely no product. Very convenient. So yeah, that's look numero uno. I'ma do the classic. Do you guys know what the classic is? The classic is a nice half up, half down. You can't go wrong. You literally can't go wrong. This vibe, I'm actually going to use my clip for this to kind of do a vibe, like, you know, just clipping it in the back. And then you see the vibe, then have the curls fall. So yeah, you see, very easy, to the point. Yeah, that's how we're looking. That's look number 2. Now let's get into number 3, the final look with this curtain bang wig. You don't have to feel limited when it comes on to doing a style, because you know the wig is, it has a bang. Like, you can still feel free to go ahead and style it, because remember that this wig also has a lot of space to work with in the front, so you could go ahead and part it wherever you please, because it's also giving scalp. Okay, so that's something else to note. So a lot of space in the front from the 8x5 closure. And then now with these very full curls, you could just gather everything. I'm gonna just put it within my clip, and you can get a full updo. Like, and then because it's already so nicely curled, it just have, oh my gosh, that's so nice. That's so nice. You just kind of leave the back a little bit effortless looking. So even though it's not a 360 wig, you kind of just do it in a way where it's not too tight, so it's not exposing the back of the wig. So you get a really cute updo there. And you know, the girlies are very much into their claw clips, so a really cute claw clip is gonna come in clutch for this look. I love it. I could pull another piece down. Too nice, too nice, too nice, too nice. Oh my god, it gets me every time, as if it's the first time I'm doing it. Like, I know it's not, but like, isn't that gorgeous? Tell me that's not stunning. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Anybody can do it, by the way. Don't think it's because I'm doing it and because I've been doing hair so long. This is very easy to finesse. You guys decide for yourself. Like, as a beginner, anybody, you could go ahead and literally style this wig to perfection with little work, little effort. Okay, yeah, Subella, they did that. So I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, all the specifications, any deals, any sale going on, it will be down below. Yeah, so if you're interested in today's wig look, go ahead, check out my description box for that. That's it for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.